It is springtime and time to start thinking about cutting grass. For that reason, we need to make sure that our lawn mowers are ready. I like to show you how I maintain mine. Every year on the beginning of the season or on the end of the season, I make sure that my oil is clean, and it depends on how long I use it. I need to replace it. I don't do it every year. Depends on the grass, how many times I cut it, but no longer than 2 seasons. Then I will need to check the air filter and spark plug. And last thing I need to do is check the blade and, if necessary, sharpen it. Looks like mine's still good and I don't need to worry about that. So blade is okay. Let's check the spark plugs. To do so, you need to take the cable off. Use the adjustable wrench, which is in my case the easiest. And check condition of it. Doesn't look bad, and if I don't have problem starting, I will continue using this till it starts to give me trouble. And I sometimes grease this inside with grease that I get from AutoZone for the cars. Make sure that it doesn't rust. And that's it. As for air filter, I think I cleaned this last year on the end of the season, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna check it. And this one screw is all it takes to take it out, and I think I'm good for 1 more year with how clean is it. It's so good to take it out maybe in the middle of the season as well, and make sure that there is no grass clippings or any big amount of the dust. And all it takes is tight enough, not too much, just to keep it in place. And that's for air filter. As for oil, I think my oil is new as well. I did it on the end of the season. I took all old oil out and put fresh in to keep it lubricated over the winter. If it's necessary to put more, I use the premium 4-cycle engine oil that I purchased at Home Depot, and if you replace it, it goes about 20 fluid ounces, maybe a little less, depends on how much you drain, and you can always add more if you need. As for oil level, we need to take this dipstick out and wipe it off on the cloth. Put it back in. Keep it for 2-3 seconds. Take it out and check it by looking to be in between these 2 dots. I might add a little bit, but because it's cold, I think I'm okay to start it and see where we are after first run. This is all I do to make sure that my lawnmower is ready, and if there is more things to be done, you please guys put it in the comments and we can all learn from each other. Let's try start it, See, does it work? It does, and it is ready. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any comments.